Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Ridgeline. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, overhead console. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.